Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorials, how to create arrow. To create arrow in Draftsight, we can use leader command. You can tap leader, press enter, and then I will click in here for the first point, move into this point, click, right click, and then you can click enter, right click again. In editor in here, I will use no annotation. You can tap N and press enter again. So it will be automatically create for the arrow. To create, you can tap leader, press enter, specify the first point. I will click in here, first point, second point at this point, right click, use enter, right click again, and tap N to use no annotation, press enter again. Okay, that's it for basic tutorials how to create arrow in Draftsight. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.